Hey there! Have you ever wondered if you can transfer money from Monzo, that sleek little digital bank, to your traditional bank account? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into that very question. So, sit back, relax, and let's get this show on the road. What is Monzo? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of transfers, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a UK-based mobile-only bank that's been making waves in the financial world. Think of it as your digital wallet, but with a whole lot more features. From budgeting tools to instant notifications, Monzo offers a modern banking experience. Why transfer from Monzo? So, why might you want to transfer money from Monzo to your traditional bank? There could be a few reasons. Maybe you need to pay a bill that doesn't accept Monzo payments, or perhaps you want to save up for a big purchase. Whatever the reason, knowing how to transfer is essential. Method 1. Using the Monzo app. The easiest way to transfer money from Monzo is by using the app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Monzo app, fire up the app on your smartphone. Tap the pot icon. You'll see a little pot icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Select your pot. Choose the pot where your money is stored. If you haven't created a pot yet, you can do so easily. Tap Move Money Out. You'll see this option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. Enter the details, input the amount you want to transfer, the account number, and the sort code of your traditional bank. Confirm and transfer, review the details, and confirm the transfer. The money should be on its way. Method 2. Using the Monzo website. If you prefer using a computer, you can also transfer money through the Monzo website. Log into your Monzo account, visit the Monzo website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Pots, look for the Pots section on the website. Select your pot, choose the pot you want to transfer money from. Move money out, follow the on-screen instructions to transfer the money to your traditional bank. Additional tips. Check transfer times. The time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary depending on your banks. Generally, it should take a few hours, but it could be longer during peak times. Fees. Monzo doesn't charge any fees for transferring money to a UK bank. However, your traditional bank might impose fees, so be sure to check their terms and conditions. Security. Monzo takes security very seriously. Your transfers are protected by advanced encryption technology. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, here are a few things you can try. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Verify bank details. Double-check the account number and sort code of your traditional bank. Contact Monzo support. If the problem persists, reach out to Monzo's customer support team. They'll be happy to assist you. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Transferring money from Monzo to your traditional bank is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. Whether you're using the app or the website, the process is straightforward. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Monzo or its features, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Until next time.